Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to access deleted files on your Samsung gallery. So I'm using my S25 Ultra. You can see here. Open your gallery, then go to the sections like pictures. Okay, then go to this menu. Then you can see here there is option of recycle bin. Open that. Then you can see different types of your deleted videos and photos. So you can simply choose a single file or multiple file to restore that to gallery. So that's, guys, you can simply select this, then click restore, or you can click delete, or you can select all of them, delete all of them. So that's, guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.